Welcome to the Art Deco glamour, where sophistication meets modern elegance in a collection of stunning kitchen designs that capture the essence of vibrant opulence. The Art Deco style is all about luxury, glamour, and intricate details that elevate a space beyond the ordinary. In this video, we'll explore 5 distinct kitchen styles inspired by this timeless aesthetic, blending bold geometry, rich materials, and a touch of metallic shine, starting off with gilded elegance, where the beauty of golden accents takes center stage. This design combines rich golden hues with sleek, modern finishes, creating a timeless and contemporary kitchen. The countertops are made from polished marble, a material synonymous with luxury, while brass and gold accents from cabinet hardware to light fixtures add a reflective brilliance. The marble island becomes the focal point, exuding opulence with its flawless, gleaming surface. The color palette in this design is warm and inviting, dominated by shades of gold, beige, and deep wood tones like mahogany. These rich hues contrast beautifully with the cool marble, creating a grand yet balanced space. The lighting, a key element of this design, is soft and ambient, casting a warm glow across the space and enhancing the golden highlights. Textures in this kitchen are a harmonious blend of smooth, polished surfaces and subtle metallic detailing. The marble is sleek to the touch, while the brass accents add a hint of industrial chic. Together, they create a tactile experience that's just as important as the visual impact. The cabinetry is streamlined without ornate details, but the gilded touches add enough glamour to keep it interesting. The mood in the Gilded Elegance kitchen is sophisticated and serene. It's the perfect space for entertaining, with the luxe materials and warm lighting creating an intimate, welcoming atmosphere. The balance between modern appliances and the timeless design elements of Art Deco gives the kitchen both form and function, making it a beautiful yet practical space. Architecturally, this design emphasizes clean lines and symmetry, true to the Art Deco style. The geometric forms seen in the layout of the countertops, cabinetry, and even lighting fixtures give the space a sense of order and refinement. This kitchen is for those who appreciate the finer things in life, luxury without compromise. Using reflective surfaces throughout this design maximizes light, making even smaller kitchens feel open and spacious. The combination of gilded elegance and modern sensibilities makes this kitchen not only a visual masterpiece, but also a hub for everyday life, seamlessly blending beauty and function. The bold geometric statement style is the perfect choice for those who want their kitchen to be a showstopper. This design takes the angular geometric forms that define Art Deco and elevates them to new heights, from the chevron pattern backsplash to the sharp angles of the cabinetry. This kitchen is all about making a strong visual impact. The color palette in this design is daring and dynamic. Black, gold, and deep jewel tones like sapphire and emerald are used throughout the space, providing a rich contrast that feels both luxurious and modern. These bold hues are balanced by neutral tones in the countertops and flooring, ensuring the space doesn't feel overwhelming. Texture plays a significant role in this kitchen as well. The combination of polished marble countertops, brushed gold fixtures, and bold geometric tiles create a tactile experience that is as engaging as it is beautiful. The sharp lines of the cabinetry are softened by the reflective surfaces, ensuring the space feels balanced despite its bold design. The lighting in this kitchen is a mix of task and ambient lighting, strategically placed to highlight the bold geometric patterns. under-cabinet lighting ensures that the intricate details of the backsplash are illuminated, while overhead lighting creates an even glow that enhances the overall ambiance. Architecturally, this kitchen follows the Art Deco symmetry and bold design tradition. The layout is clean and organized, with the angular shapes of the countertops and cabinetry creating a sense of order. The geometric patterns throughout the design give the space a cohesive look while still allowing each element to stand out. Finally, the mood in this kitchen is bold and energetic. It's a space that demands attention and invites conversation, perfect for those who love entertaining. The bold geometric statement kitchen is not just a place to cook. It elevates daily life into an art form, proving that a bold design can be both functional and fabulous. In the opulent marble Elgue gold kitchen, luxury is redefined through a dazzling combination of sumptuous materials and classic Art Deco aesthetics. This design centers around using marble and gold accents to create a space that feels like a grand statement of elegance. The marble countertops and backsplash bring texture and richness, while the gold detailing from cabinet handles to light fixtures adds a sense of refined opulence. The color palette here is light, bright, and sophisticated. The predominant tones are whites and creams, with the marble offering gray and soft gold veins. The metallic gold accents enhance the space's elegance without overpowering it. These reflective surfaces catch the light, bouncing it around the room to create a warm, inviting glow. The harmony between light and material truly elevates this kitchen to a luxurious level. Textures are key in this design. The smoothness of the marble surfaces contrasts with the more intricate details in the metallic finishes, such as the brushed gold faucets and cabinet handles. This textural interplay creates depth and interest, ensuring that the space feels tactile as well as visually stunning. The marble is not just a worktop, it's a feature that commands attention, while the gold accents add a layer of luxury to everyday functionality. The lighting in this kitchen is soft yet deliberate. Chandeliers or pendant lights with brass or gold finishes add a touch of grandeur, while subtle under-cabinet lighting highlights the intricate veining in the marble. The combination of ambient and task lighting ensures that this space feels both functional and glamorous, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the art of cooking. Architecturally, the opulent marble gold kitchen follows clean, symmetrical lines reminiscent of traditional Art Deco design. Thanks to the reflective surfaces and light color scheme, the space feels spacious and open, while the gold accents provide just the right amount of bold contrast. The geometric shapes in the cabinetry and lighting fixtures are subtle but effective in giving the kitchen a cohesive, elegant look. The overall mood in this kitchen is one of serene opulence. It's a space where luxury is present in every detail, from the polished marble countertops to the gleaming gold fixtures. This kitchen is perfect for those who want to combine the glamour of the past with the functionality of the present, creating a timelessly luxurious space that's equally suited for entertaining and daily life. The emerald and brass kitchen brings the bold, jewel-toned aesthetics of Art Deco to life with a rich, luxurious palette. Deep emerald green cabinets are the star of this design, paired with brass accents that create a dazzling contrast. This kitchen feels both bold and refined, making it the perfect space for homeowners who aren't afraid to embrace color and personality. The color palette is unapologetically rich and regal. The deep emerald green cabinetry sets the tone, while brass handles, faucets, and lighting fixtures bring the space a sense of warmth and luxury. The use of brass accents in combination with jewel tones is a hallmark of Art Deco design. And in this kitchen, it serves as both a statement and a cohesive element. The contrast between the rich green and the reflective brass creates a balance that feels decadent without being overwhelming. The textures in this kitchen are equally luxurious. The smooth matte finish of the emerald cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the polished brass fixtures, offering a tactile experience that elevates the space. The countertops might be made of black or white marble, creating a sleek surface that allows the bold green and gold hues to shine truly. The brass detailing is present throughout this space, from the cabinet handles to the pendant lights, giving the kitchen a sense of continuity and style. Lighting plays a crucial role in highlighting the kitchen's jewel-toned elegance. Brass pendant lights or chandeliers cast a warm, golden glow that enhances the richness of the green cabinetry. Task lighting ensures the work areas are well lit, while ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The brass's reflective nature helps bounce light around the room, ensuring that the deep green hues never feel too dark or heavy. Architecturally, this kitchen maintains the clean lines and symmetry typical of Art Deco, but with a modern twist. The cabinetry features subtle geometric details, while the brass accents give the space a refined, polished look. The overall effect is both glamorous and functional, making it ideal for those who want a luxurious yet practical kitchen for everyday use. The mood in the emerald and brass kitchen is bold, vibrant, and luxurious. It's a space that feels alive with color and energy, yet sophisticated enough for elegant dinner parties or quiet mornings with coffee. This kitchen perfectly captures the essence of Art Deco glamour, while remaining versatile enough for modern living. The Retro Deco Chic Kitchen brings a playful twist to Art Deco design by combining vintage elements with modern luxuries. This style is all about bold colors, geometric patterns, and a sense of fun, making it perfect for those who want a kitchen with personality. Retro vibes are mixed with sleek, modern appliances, creating a nostalgic and cutting-edge space. The color palette is vibrant and lively, with mustard, teal, and coral shades making a bold statement. These vintage-inspired colors are paired with geometric patterns, such as a checkerboard floor or a chevron backsplash, which instantly transport you to the glamour of the 1920s while keeping the kitchen modern and functional. The playful use of color and pattern ensures that this kitchen stands out, creating a space that's as fun as it is stylish. Textures in this kitchen are varied and engaging. The glossy, reflective surfaces of the countertops and backsplash contrast with matte finishes on the cabinetry and hardware, while the geometric patterns add a dynamic element that keeps the eye moving throughout the space. Vintage-style appliances in bold colors or chrome finishes provide a sense of retro charm, while still offering the latest in modern convenience. Lighting in the Retro Deco Chic Kitchen is playful and vibrant. Pendant lights with geometric shapes or retro-inspired fixtures cast a warm, inviting glow over the space, while under cabinet lighting ensures that the work areas are well lit. The lighting helps to balance the bold color palette, making sure the space feels warm and inviting rather than overwhelming. Architecturally, this kitchen plays with both form and function. The curved lines typical of Art Deco are mixed with modern shapes, creating a fresh yet familiar space. The retro-inspired appliances and vintage colors provide a sense of nostalgia, while the modern layout ensures that the kitchen is as practical as it is beautiful. It's a space that combines the best of both worlds, offering the glamour of Art Deco with all the conveniences of contemporary design. The mood in this kitchen is playful, vibrant, and full of energy. It's a space designed for those who love entertaining, cooking, and making a statement with their interior design. The Retro Deco Chic Kitchen is perfect for those who want a unique, bold and stylish kitchen that celebrates both the past and the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.